Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can edit MoneyGram receiver name. So the first thing that you will have to do is you will of course make sure that the transaction has not been completed yet, and this will help prevent errors and ensures that the money reaches the correct recipient. So once you're here, what you will have to do is go to recent transactions or pending transfer, and then what you will have to do is select the transaction that you want to edit, and then basically you will just have to click edit receiver details, and then you will just have to update the name to match the recipient's official ID, and then you will just have to double check spelling and capitalization, and finally you will just have to save your changes and confirm the update and ensure that you receive a confirmation that the change was successful. And yeah, that's basically how you do it, and I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.